In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Div Block to Webflow. A div block is one of the most important building elements in Webflow. Think of it as a flexible container you can use to group content, control layout, and apply styles consistently across your site. Let's walk through adding one to your project and getting it ready for publishing. First, open your project in the Webflow Designer. Make sure you're on the canvas where you want to work. If you don't already see the Add panel on the left, open it. Inside the Add panel, look for the Basic category. Click to expand Basic. If it collapses or switches views for any reason, just click Basic again so you can see the full set of foundational elements. Within Basic, find Div Block. You can either drag the div block onto the canvas or click it to add it to the currently selected area in the navigator. If you're dragging, watch for the blue highlight that shows where it will land. Release when the highlight is exactly where you want the div to live. If nothing is selected, Webflow will place the div at the root level of your page, which is fine for a starter container. With the div now on the canvas, head over to the right-hand sidebar and open the Style panel. This is where you'll set up your layout and visual rules. Give your div a class name so you can reuse and update styles consistently. Adjust width and height if needed, or let the content define it. Add padding to create space inside the div, and use margin to separate it from neighboring elements. Still in the Style panel, choose a layout. For simple stacking, Display Block works well. If you want to align items inside, switch to Flex and control Direction, Alignment, and Distribution. You can also set a background color or image, add borders or radius for rounded corners, and manage positioning and z-index if this div needs to sit above or below other layers. Next, briefly open the Settings panel using the gear icon. Here, you can add an ID, set attributes for interactions or embeds, and confirm any element level options specific to your layout. Once that's set, return to the Style panel to make any final visual tweaks. When everything looks good, publish your changes. Click. Publish in the top right, select your domain if prompted, and wait for confirmation. Then preview your live site to make sure your new div block appears and behaves exactly as expected. That's all there is to it. Clean, flexible structure ready for anything you build next.